Hello, hello. As Shelby Dredge says, guess what time it is? That's right. It is dun, da, da, da. Time for Bible Journal Society. Yay! So excited. Look, it's been sitting down there and it got some of my where I erased my stuff, my Bible journal stuff on it. Okay, what do we got? Let's just see. Got a piece of candy, of course. Strawberry. So, of course, this must be pink month. A ribbon, paper clip. A ribbon tag. Ooh, looky, looky, looky. I love Faber-Castell. I'm so excited. Matador Lake, number 129. Let's see, do I have this one? Looks like this might be it. Yep, how about that? I picked it out. Pretty cool. Matador Lake. Love it. Love, love, love. Love these pins. They are awesome. Okay, here's our devotional. Looks like it's on Mark 12, 29 through 31. What did Jesus teach us about self-love? Do you love yourself? Should you love yourself? These may not be easy questions for many of us. I struggle with the idea of self-love, so I went to the Bible and searched this topic that's so controversial for so many Christians. What did Jesus teach us about self-love? It's in Mark 12, 29 through 31. So this is going to be really awesome about self-love, ways to love yourself. Look at all the prettiness in it. This is cool. And it's a beautiful pink. So excited. Okay, what did we get? We got Illustrated Faith, Homespun Numbers, and we got the One in a Melon color, 218 pieces. And we got Illustrated Faith Homespun Alphas, One in a Melon for the color, 194 pieces. Awesome. And we got Bible sticky notes from Documented Faith. It says Adore It Bible Notes, 25 sheets per pad, and you get 2 pads. How awesome is that? Wonder if the pads are the same. Let's see. Are the papers the same? Yes, the papers are the same under each. How awesome. Normally it is, but sometimes you might find, where they're a little different. How pretty, pretty, pretty. All the pink for Valentine's. Well, that was an easy kit and quick. All right. I hadn't done a video that quick in so long, but everybody knows how great Illustrated Faith homespun letters and numbers are. How awesome is that? I'm so excited. Look at them. Stick them in our Bible this month. Yay! And then the Bible note pages. All right. Are you interested in getting a kit every month from Bible Journal Society? I know you are, because it is an amazing kit. Let me tell you how I love this kit. I love the kit because, look, it's completely different every month. It's always based on color and style. And it also has it has such nice stuff in it. Sometimes it'll be paper. Sometimes it'll be stickers and stuff and mediums. One month we got watercolor crayons. We might get ink pads, we might get stamps, we might get lots and lots of paper, we might get sticker sheets. There's just all kinds of stuff that we get. One time we got wooden alphas, stickers of wooden stamps that are alphas. And so we get all kinds of stuff, and it's not the same every month. It's always different, and that's what I love. And the kit, $15. That's it. All right, you can go to embellishkits.com and click on Bible Journal Society. It's that simple. Order you a kit. Tell them Risa with Well With My Soul sent you. And I look forward to seeing you next month when you have your new kit. All right, subscribe to our channel and join us on Facebook at Well With My Soul Expressions Bible Journaling Group. That's where we get together and we journal and we do all kinds of cool stuff with our Bibles, and we do swaps, and we do a Bible study, and we do fun stuff like Show and Tell Tuesdays and Throwback Thursdays and FaceTime Fridays. And we talk about Worship Wednesdays, about what we've learned over the last week in our chronological Bible reading. And on Mondays, that's right, live journaling. We have live journaling every Monday night, and it is so much fun. Oh my gosh, we have a lot of fun. So join us, come and get on Facebook and type in Well With My Soul, and we will pop up. It'll be great, just like the song, Well With My Soul. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. I'll see you in the Facebook group, and I'll see you next month when you have your own Bible Journal Society kit to open with me. All right. As always, it is Well With My Soul. Bye. See you later.